What's going on YouTube Hacker Channel? It's my name is Tech. Today on channel, we're checking out this OIYN Floor Light Pro, okay? A RGB light that's gonna be more affordable than your typical ones you've probably seen. It's not really a comparison. They're gonna see how well this one is thought out, okay? Over 16 million color combination, lights effects, be able to sync with your music and stuff. All that goody stuff we're gonna check out right now in this review. Stay tuned. So in the box right here, you got the base. So like the base also have your controls as well. So we'll check that a little more in a minute, but I know for a fact there it is a power button right there. Got your power cord right here. All right, got yourself a controller. Right here is going to be your screws to put this together. And let's see how long, well, we'll see how easy it is to put this together and get the bad boy set up. Right out of the box, everything comes organized and ready to assemble. Putting it together was quick and simple, and everything you need is included. The materials actually feel pretty solid too. Nothing feels overly cheap or plasticky. Right here at the bottom, you have a few quick controls. The power button is pretty self-explanatory. Turn the lamp on or off, including the lighting around the base. Next is C, which lets you quickly cycle through different colors and lighting effects. So even if you don't have the remote nearby, you can still switch up the look directly from the lamp. And then M activates music mode. Once it picks up sound or music, the lights react and sync with the beat. So even without touching the remote or the app, you still have your basic controls right here on the lamp. Now, when it comes to controlling the lights, you have two options: the included remote or the giant home app. The remote gives you quick access to your colors, brightness, effects, and music modes, and the lights react almost instantly. But the app is where you get more control. You can fine-tune your colors, switch between different scenes and effects, adjust the brightness, and really customize the lighting to match the vibe you're going for. And honestly, the response time is pretty quick. Make a change and you see it happen almost immediately. Overall, I think this lamp is a really nice way to completely change the vibe of a room without doing too much. Whether you're hanging out with family, having friends over, gaming, watching a movie, or just vibing by yourself, you can customize the lighting to match whatever mood you're going for. You have plenty of colors and effects to choose from, music sync, plus control directly from the lamp, the remote, or through the app. And I really like the illuminated base because it adds a little extra lighting down low and makes the entire setup stand out, especially at night. It's simple to put together, easy to control, and gives you a lot of customization. So if you're looking for an easy way to add some personality and ambient lighting to your space, the OIYN Floor Lamp is definitely worth checking out.